Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. This is a recipe that you can probably try for Diwali as a snack. This is a millet vada, and this time I've used bajra or pearl millet for this recipe. Ingredients list is given below. Do check it out and subscribe my channel for more such videos. So I've taken a bowl into which I'm going to be adding the millet, in this case pearl millet or bajra. Then I'm going to add some coriander powder and salt to taste, followed by some red chilli powder and turmeric powder, some finely chopped coriander and green chillies. Now we add in some curd, and lastly some white sesame seeds. Now we'll just mix all of this together, so the curd and the masalas get incorporated with the pearl millet or the bajra. Once that's done, use your hands to gently crumple the dough. Making sure everything is mixed nicely and there are no lumps. Now it's time to add some water to the mixture and roll it into a soft dough. So I'm mixing some water into it. And then we'll mix everything together to form a soft dough. So you can see the dough is ready. Now I'm going to take a small portion of the dough, roll it into a ball between my hands, and then press it to make a vada or a peda out of it. So we're going to make more like this. With the quantity I've mentioned, you can make about 6 of them. So again, taking a portion of the dough, rolling it into a ball, flattening it, and the vada has been shaped. So let's do the rest of them. So I've got the vadas ready. Now all that you have to do is heat some oil on medium flame and then add the vadas in. We'll cook it nicely until they are golden brown and it becomes slightly puffed up like a puri or a kachori, and then remove it from the fire. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.